Hi everyone, simple fishtail updo. Spray with some texture spray, tie into a ponytail, then spray some flyaway spray, split the ponytail in half, then split that section into half again, and then take little section off the back of that bit and then bring it into the middle like so. Bring a little section into the middle again. We're going to do a little fishtail to it. Fishtail it all the way to the bottom of it and then tie it into the elastic band. With elastic band, then you have something looking like this. Spray with some wax spray and then pinch and pull it out a little bit. Bring that up on the crown of the head, and we have done a little bungee to it, just elastic band and 2 bobby pins. Pin that down and then pin it over onto the left side, nice and secure. Use as much bobby pin as you need though. Then you have something looking like that. Undo the top and then crisscross it over and tuck the little bits at the bottom, then pin it away some more bobby pin. Use as much as you need, and then spray with some hairspray. Pinch and pull it out a little bit just to give it a little more volume to it. Pinch the crown a bit, give it a bit more volume too. Then this is the finished look. If you like this hairstyle, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more hair tutorial. And thank you ever so much for watching my video. Please like and support my video. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Bye.